In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your time zone on investing.com. Changing your time zone on investing.com ensures that market events, economic calendar entries, earnings releases, and other time-sensitive information are displayed according to your local time. This makes it much easier to follow financial events without having to manually convert times. To get started, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click or tap it to open the available account options. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the Time Zone option. Select the current time zone to open the list of available time zones. Scroll through the available options and choose the time zone that matches your location. After selecting your preferred time zone, hit the Submit Application button. Some versions of investing.com automatically save the new setting as soon as you make your selection, so you may not need to confirm it manually. Once the update is complete, return to the economic calendar, market pages, or other sections of the platform that display scheduled events. The event times should now reflect the time zone you selected, making it easier to follow market activity throughout the day. Remember that changing your time zone only affects how times are displayed on investing.com. It does not change your account information or the actual timing of market events. You can return to your settings at any time if you need to select a different time zone while traveling or working in another region. And that's it. That's how to change your time zone on investing.com. With the correct time zone selected, you'll be able to follow market events and financial calendars more accurately without worrying about time conversions.